In this video, I'll show you how to use your Beats Fit Pro transparency mode, noise cancellation, and also just off mode. So to switch between all these settings, and by the way, noise cancelling means obviously that it will use the microphones to cancel the noise. So that's pretty self-explanatory. The transparency mode is if you want to hear your surroundings. So it will again use the microphones to feed you the sound into the earpiece so you hear what's around you. Whoops. And the off mode just means that they become regular earbuds without any noise cancellation. They're just basic. Okay, so to switch between these three settings, all you have to do when wearing them is to keep press the button, so this side, during 2 seconds. Then release it and you're gonna feel the difference. To switch to another mode, again, just keep it pressed 2 seconds and it will do the same. If you have an iPhone, you can do this directly on the iPhone. If you have an Android, you'll need to download the Beats app. All you have to do is to drag down from the top right corner here and obviously wear your Beats. I'll keep them in my hand just to simulate that I'm wearing them. You should see the small icon here from the Beats. All you have to do is keep it pressed. Then on the bottom screen here, you can see there is noise control. Click on it and you will be able to switch between noise cancellation, off, and transparency mode very easily. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.